Want to get your money under control but don't know where to start? Don't worry, I've got you. In this video, I'll show you the best free budget apps you can use today to track your income, cut expenses, and save smarter, whether you're in Kenya, the US, or anywhere in the world. First up is Good Budget. It uses the envelope budgeting system, where you assign every shilling or dollar a purpose before you spend it. You can track income and expenses manually, set limits per category, and sync across devices, perfect if you like structure without complexity. Next is Monify. This one's all about simplicity and speed. You can record any expense in just 2 taps, and the colorful charts give you an instant overview of where your money goes. It works offline too, great if you're on the move or using bundles. If you're in the US or Canada, Mint is one of the best. It connects to your bank account automatically, tracks your spending, gives alerts for bills, and even shows your credit score. All in one place, it's totally free and super powerful. Looking for something flexible? Try Wallet by Budget Bakers. You can input transactions manually or connect your bank if available. It also helps you set financial goals and see progress over time. Want to manage money with your partner or roommates? Spendee lets you create shared wallets where everyone can log expenses. It's clean, user-friendly, and supports multiple currencies, perfect for budgeting with others. And if you're old school or want full control, never underestimate the power of a free Excel or Google Sheets template. With a bit of setup, you can create a custom budget that fits your exact needs, and it's 100% private. Managing your money doesn't have to be hard or expensive. Whether you prefer simple apps like Monify or powerful tools like Mint, there's something here for everyone. Try one out and start today, you'll thank yourself a month from now. If this helped, give the video a like and subscribe for more simple personal finance tips every week.